Hi guys, in this tutorial I show you 4 simple steps to fix the most common Windows update errors. Just follow my instructions. Step 1. Delete all files inside the software distribution folder. Open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows and the R button on your keyboard and type in software distribution. Press enter and delete all the files inside this folder. Don't worry about these files because Windows stores temporary files related to updates here, and sometimes these files can become corrupted or outdated, which can cause issues with Windows updates. So deleting these files will just reset the process. Step 2. Run Troubleshooter. Press the Windows button on your keyboard or just click on the Windows icon inside your taskbar. You can also just click inside your search bar and type in Troubleshoot. Open the Troubleshoot settings and select Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find the Windows option. Click on Run and go through the process in the Troubleshooter. Wait for it to finish. The Troubleshooter can find any Windows update issues and fix it. Then restart your PC to apply the fixes. Step 3. Run System File Checker. Click on the Windows button or inside the search bar and type in CMD. Right click on the CMD search result here and select Run as Administrator. In the black command prompt window type in sfc/scannow and press enter. You can also just copy and paste all commands from my video description. The sfc command will run the Windows built-in system file checker, which will scan your computer for any system problems or corrupted files. It will also fix them automatically. Wait for it to complete and restart your computer after this. Step 4. Adjust and restart Windows services. Click on the Windows Start icon and type in services.msc and press enter. Scroll down to find Windows Update. Double click on it and make sure the service is running. If it's not running, click on Start. In the drop-down of the Start type, select Automatic, click on Apply and then OK. After that, find the background intelligent transfer service, double click on it and make sure it's also set to automatic here and running. Click on start if it's not running and then click on apply and OK. After that, right click on both services and restart them. After you have finished all these 4 steps, try to update your Windows again. It should work now for the most Windows update related problems. Thank you for watching and see you next time.